Okay, FM 101.7.
Na nanu adanso wuti de wankasa so obra wo fa Alote Jacobs enso so ababa beka say wono kra say kra no is no more in the NDC enkoma koso ipa bi adwen yese party de eden ya you agree to disagree but say na say we ye wa was my family kwan no is for me kwan de be na as a party mo ye say ye de Alote Jacobs mo former regional chairman of the party war central region no ya adan de na mo ye se nipa bi a wo tete saa no ese bibi nti wo mu free party no mu akọ no me ade na afeso suspension no kra no nka mo begyae na bi a nipa bi wa mo ne na kasa no me ade bibi saa wo ho a ya na mo ntuo
kwame ne dika ma me mo bi anti ase se party emre bi ese dun ketia ka bibi se party eti se train inti tour bus stop bi BBC ebibefo anameboa enti sana party tie party etisa akoko batai onsura wo mewu enti se usuro pass amafo be fi party mu de end party untimi nya party
by the dom na yo
yeah the dom na yes but you see akoko no ntakra na mane ye kase but ntakra hu de
kafanya
hunde esem efame kwatre kwa ana urefi
minimpa
empanyin se akoko no ntakra ena mane kase ntie de dodo na ye ba dodo bone de fanya me kwatre kwa enti party no every day amanfo ewurem ebi fim party sebe asorko e na msongura ne amanfo tumi jai arandoa omta ko to de kwa me wuze wa soro na me chance obetin ma be join Una ti wa soro na meba. Elder. Wow. Enti asoro create me ejai. Enti to be cut we die party. Enya dia at the fofo. It doesn't matter at what level.
You will be or domo.
It doesn't matter.
Or call the dombeko.
It doesn't matter. Don't need in a party no woman so. Nobody is bigger than the party. Will be your party. No foster we near kodu be into one domunti free party more party na betia catch and say obeda samoa of all people free NDC ngu wasamba be join catch and say bezedin of all people free NDC mu bezedin no ya dani deputy general secretary act as general secretary free party no okokoko wasamba join party na ene o itaye MP
Gusitano.
You're Council of Elders member. So nobody, me Baba Jamal and now make a say, me people NDC more Shinsi. Inti ma bill for bigger than the party. The party is bigger than all of us. Kamamen kanjo kwamen. So we na disinzi office to your 10-10 me enter Lucy Fio. Would you do since your office or it doesn't matter. Regional chairman, whatever, general secretary, with there won't call because party there's no compulsion in membership of party. But if party at any time. And this on what decided so it is not because party near be being to know where on one other MPP, only you are chairman. Only you are vice chairman. Only you are constituency chairman baby. We need election.
They won.
It depends on the dynamics of the time. In this way, Alote Jacobs Kasokwa been to be forced on your NDC. And I respect his right. Because so only NDC mono. Say Okata, me as Baba Jamal, I know how to treat him. Anameboa or how to respond to him. And it is the same way in him. So the same kind is I respect his right. And the right is not because of mankind is it is his right. And it doesn't really change anything. Nipo Kono Obunsam, Ebu so free heaven on and Bonsam for Nobano, O free heaven Buyara.
Debbie.
But first, no, we are almost some heaven, and I'm a boy. So, on one dumb free heaven by a gui.
Then,
so, I will be Mamma and no agenda. say one person can shake the foundation of NDC. And I'm always saying this because Obeda Samoye example is because he rose to the level of national chairman. And one former NDC, Temiye, is the foundation member of the NDC. At a point, and Yamaminko was in my jai. Okoba Yamana Wasamba Wabedoy. That's how party is. Alote NMO was a Biobaka that baby and Wasamba. What must say? And that Mefrimuno and Amejano Kwame party members in our NTME at every point in time. No, Alote we see the chrome, we do the chrome or the trim, we do the chrome no see and train us stop and I'm a boy.
David,
train over Koso.
Now,
it is moving on.
Obia Bisa said, Obisi Mimusa was MBC. And come here and say 1 year a free muno. A former president Mills named Crawford Kwan. I said, "Bia, Papa Messi, ni one and ma. I basam. I young come over.
I am Mukasa Kwan. I may say. Kwame. Yes, me come as a man who Anna.
Baby, how do you have Banumo?
Oh, Kwame Sabanuma. Okay, Okuju to Abanuma. Oh, Manebuama or Abanuma.
David, never.
Here will group be a forum, youth forum, and most of us know Professor Muslim my opportunity to be in government. So what am I saying? Professor Muslim my the first opportunity to serve in government. Here now we see Professor Mills as our mentor. But in the year no credit, so be Professor Mills in the uniform. Why no Professor Mills in the uniform? And I take up several no Professor Mills in Jen Omaneboama and now Professor Mills in Jen Ogujetu. And the Ayonwa ni Sumaya and the destiny and all follow in the no Nasam. It has nothing to do with Professor Mills, nothing completely. Okay. It has not something to do with Professor Mills. I'm telling you, it is never true. And I'm a man can show. Yeah, we are protecting the legacy of Professor Mills. Naming to be no good baby, Professor Mills Bunia. We will always protect it. But you see, it depends on how far you want to go with it. Send your person or the call, Arameboa. Obia was sending a sebe, or Yanadia. Obi Pepese, but Afibia, Obokakosa, Nebusi, Oboko Musie, Agosanena. Obi Zuba Pesa Oba Formal Institute. Obi Zuba Pesa, Debia, Nobia, Obokakosa. Everybody has a way of expressing his love for the man. Some of us have our own way of expressing our love for the man. And no being say by doing one aspect of it, you know, now Odo Professor Moss HOD. They be in the head of Professor Moss. A true sense, some people were even closer than some people. Me say, I will be honest with you, even though Professor Moss appointed me, you know, I was not too close to the center. That is the fact. So what must say? But time here, Professor Me is here, you know, other friend. Oh, one from Baba Jama, stand up from Baba Jama. Anytime he needs me, Koku is always there. We hear me of friend and all those things. But those people like Koku and the one, they were appointed in the presidency. So what must say? So serve Yokra, Ohe Akoda, and in here, only Ohe that in a different room. So, but we are all Professor Moss products. The more be any just no other Professor Moss, and I mean, person will be so ever draw that conclusion. I said that they have been said Professor Mills anyone and them. Professor Mills, when I go need the whole Alote Jacob, they are only 2 out of hundreds. And I know among Kwan Survey. Many problems with the system. There's some other people who have had problems with the system. And I believe so, as comrades, you know, even though they are taking a different part, but I'm let's say comrades. The Gobi will continue to talk. That the friend I mean drink as a member, and I'm a friend I mean so because of onfa. So what must say We continue to talk. We are colleagues. We are comrades. And the moment we will be draw any conclusions outside information because here can be a Professor Mills #1 disciple, John Mahama. So Mahama is the #1 disciple of Professor Mills. Obi no obi ti aka tell me say one more closer to Professor Mills than John Mahama. No, John Mahama served him as vice president, close vice president. Yeah, in a cabinet. Yeah, a cabinet. Everybody knows what happens in cabinet. Come on, Professor Mills happens no be a cabinet. Yeah, knows what happens in cabinet. And it mean to be cabinet at some better thing. But at cabinet you will see the relationship between the two. And I'm about what is in there. And they don't let anybody deceive you come and say, will be a Professor Mills. No. This Professor Mills then we are all Professor Mills products. We are Professor Mills.
Okay, FM 101.7.